Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove background from photo in CapCut. So, in today's quick video, we are going to show you this. Just head over to your CapCut application and here you can see 4 options on the upper part of new project. Just click on expand and there you will have the remove background option. Once you head over there, you will see several options. Just select a picture you want to remove background of, then click on add. Then it has already selected automatically the part which needs to be kept when the background is deleted. So the green part will be remained in the picture and the other part will be removed. So just click on export. And here the background is removed from the photo. And yeah, it is done. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.